In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Photos from your desktop or Google Drive, whether you want to browse through your cherished memories stored in Google Photos or manage your storage effectively right from your computer. This guide will walk you through each step of the process. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to make your way to Google Drive. So open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your credentials and get logged in to access your drive. Once you're logged into your Google Drive, take a moment to look for the grid icon. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. It resembles a small bunch of dots arranged in a square grid, indicating it's part of the app launcher. Give it a click. This action opens up a menu that showcases a variety of Google services that are linked with your Google account. With that app menu open, scan through the available services and spot the Photos option. It should clearly be labelled as Photos, making it easy to find. Click on it and this will take you directly to the Google Photos interface. In this interface, you'll find all your uploaded photos neatly organised in a timeline view. From here, you're free to browse your albums, search for specific memories using the search bar, or even upload new photos directly from your desktop by selecting the upload icon at the top of the page. This integration between Google Drive and Google Photos is tremendously convenient. Not only does it provide quick access to your photo library, but it enables seamless transitions between storage management and digital memories, allowing you to organize and maintain your files all in one go. If you're looking to share particular images or albums with friends or family, Google Photos makes this straightforward. Simply select the photos or albums you want to share and click the share icon to choose your preferred method of sharing, such as through a direct link or via email. This easy access from Google Drive ensures that you can check out your Google Photos from almost any desktop device as long as you have an internet connection, and that's all it takes to access Google Photos from your Google Drive. By following these simple steps, you can keep your digital memories just a few clicks away, empowering you to enjoy them whenever you like without navigating through multiple apps or windows. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. See you in the next video and happy browsing.